Hey everyone, my name is Roman and I'm the founder of ROMAN PTE. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I upload one video every week, and these videos cover scoring criteria, some solved examples which will help you with the preparation techniques, my experiment with different mock tests and actual exams, as well as my experience in the real test. For your information, I have appeared in this test 7 times in the last 4 years, each time scoring 90, and in each of these tests, I experimented with something different, and I have also done more than 70 experiments with the mock test to understand the algorithm of PTE so that I can help you with more specific and to the point ideas which can save your time and help you stay concentrated in more important areas. In addition to this, sometimes I also upload success stories of students who had to try many times before they got their score. These stories might help you to stay high when you are feeling really low in the journey of your preparation. Sometimes things do not go according to plan, but this is something that many of us have gone through, and you need to know that, and these videos will help you to understand that at a deeper level. These videos will help you to understand from other people's experience and help you to stay afloat. Although I have tried to cover most of the areas of PT, if you feel like you need more help and if you want to watch more videos, you can check our website romanptemelbourne.com.au, where we have more than 150 videos covering different aspects of PT, as well as different solved examples which will help you to enhance your skills for the test. Not only that, we also have more than 3,000 practice questions which are based on the actual exam questions asked in PT academic test. And then you can do mock minis, which are small tests covering only sections of PT, for example, only speaking, only writing, and so on, for which you can get feedback from tutors, including me. And then there is mock test as well, which can help you to understand where you stand right now in terms of your preparation, so that before you go to the test, you can get a very good idea about your skill, your level, and you also get personalized feedback from us. I suggest that you explore the content of this channel, find out what you're looking for. If you cannot find it out, let me know in the comments. If you have any feedback for me, again, write in the comments so that I can work on those areas and make this channel better. And if you like these videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon and help us grow. I hope you will be successful in your next exam, and all the best for your preparation. Have a good time.